I'm gonna show you an abdominal exercise that I love to do on the foam roller. They're called negative abs. I'm gonna roll back or lift my hips, make sure my sacrum is on that roller, and tuck the knees in. Your goal is to bring the legs down without changing your abdominals or your core at all. Now, I'm going down pretty low. I've been practicing. If you can only go down this far without changing your ribs, that's fine. Bring it on up and lift it on down. So what we're thinking right here is keeping the rib cage contracted, long neck, relax that upper body, focus on those abs. Take it up, bring it on down, and now I'm gonna separate my feet. Watch, up, rotate around and touch, lift, and bring it on up. Rotate around and touch, lift, and squeeze. Let's do 2 more. Right there, right up, and we're gonna hold the last one for a couple of seconds. Tighten that core, squeeze those glutes. Don't let that rib cage expand. Tuck it in. 1 minute, negative abs on the foam roller. Until next time.